Introducing the stunning 2026 Cupra TAVASCAN with 286 B horsepower. This electric beauty in sleek grey exterior has it all, from luxurious features like ambient lighting and satellite navigation to top-of-the-line safety technology including collision, avoidance braking and lane departure warning. With only 22 kilometres on the clock, this 5-door powerhouse is ready for the road. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, servicing to manufacturer specification and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this ultimate driving experience. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information.